Have you noticed that $50 today buys you way less than it used to, even just a few years ago? That your paycheck stays the same, but prices for everything, groceries, gas, even coffee, just keep rising. You're not imagining it. It's not just how life works. It's something much bigger and way more dangerous than most people realize. It's called inflation. In this video, I'll break down what inflation actually is, how it works, why it's quietly draining your money every single day, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself and even profit from it. By the end of this video, you'll get the ultimate answer to this massive problem we all share. What is inflation? Let's start simple. Inflation is the overall rise in prices over time. When inflation happens, your money loses purchasing power, meaning you can buy less with the same amount. For example, back in the early 2000s, $10 could get you a full lunch with a drink. In 2025, $10 barely gets you a sandwich and maybe a small coffee. Why does this happen? There are several reasons: higher costs for raw materials, supply shortages, global conflicts, and instability, and most importantly, monetary policy. When governments or central banks print too much money, but production and value don't grow at the same rate, the money in circulation becomes worth less. Why inflation is a problem for you? You might think, okay, prices go up, but that's just life, right? Not exactly. The real danger comes when your income doesn't rise as fast as inflation. If you're earning $2,000 a month now, inflation is 6%. In 1 year, it's like earning $1,880 in real value, even if your paycheck hasn't changed. Now, here's the trap most people fall into. They leave their money sitting in the bank, thinking it's safe. Let's say you have $10,000 in your savings account. With 6% inflation, you're losing $600 a year in purchasing power without spending a single dollar. It's like an invisible tax. You don't see it, but it's draining you quietly every day. If this is opening your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe to Money Moves, and drop a comment below. Have you ever felt your money losing value without knowing why? And if you know someone who keeps their savings frozen in the bank, share this video with them. They might be losing money without realizing it. How to protect yourself from inflation, okay? Now that you know what inflation is and why it's a threat, let's talk about how to fight back. Invest in assets that grow over time. We're talking about stocks, ETFs, real estate, commodities, like gold or oil, even private businesses or startups. These are all things that tend to rise in value alongside inflation, or even beat it. Build passive income streams. Inflation hits harder when you rely on a single paycheck. But if you have dividends, rental income, online income, or royalties, you have money working for you, even while you sleep. Level up your financial education. This is your most powerful asset. When you understand money, you stay ahead of the system. You make smarter decisions and don't fall into traps that cost you in the long run. Conclusion: the truth about inflation. So now we come to the big question. Can you actually make money during inflation? The ultimate answer is yes, but only if you act. If you do nothing, you lose. But if you learn, invest, and stay consistent, you can protect your wealth and grow it even in hard times. You don't need to be rich to start. You need awareness, a strategy, and the courage to take that first step. If you want more videos on personal finance, investing, and real-world strategies to make your money grow, subscribe to Money Moves right now and turn on notifications. Time and inflation are either working against you or for you. If you know how to use them,